Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 163. Our subject is concrete pouring in cold weather condition. Before going on, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So we will discuss about the concrete pouring. Uh, as everybody is aware that the concrete pouring is a big issue and the very requirement, uh, major requirement for the uh, concrete life and the life of the structure itself. So, according to the relevant standard ACA 306, the parameter of the concrete temperature should be at least 5 degree. It should not be below the 5 degree. It should be above the 5 degree. And its settings low and the settlement of the concrete and the setting time, you can say it is very slow as compared to the traditional concrete in the hot weather and the normal weather. So, according to the pouring schedules, we have to think about the strategy of the weathering condition and also the geographical situation and the natural condition like the raining and the cold and whatsoever, and the timing also. This we should select in a serious way and then allow the pouring uh, concrete in the appropriate structure. The ambient temperature normally it should be not more than the 40 degree, but in the cold weather it is not a issue. But the concrete mixed temperature should be not below the 5 degree. So the our highest in the traditional concrete the temperature is the 30 degrees centigrade to the 32 degree in BS and ASTM standard. In some standards, there is a little bit contradiction, but we will consider according to the specification what's the says for the particular projects. So that temperature should be selected, and the lowest temperature should be at least the 5 degree. It should not be go below the 5 degree. And once the concrete is pouring and concrete should be settlement not to the 3 hours or the 4 hours as per the traditional uh, condition. It will be according to the weathering condition. It will take the 48 hours. Normally, it is should not be lifted or the open the molds or the formwork. It's the after less than 24 hours. But in the cold weather, this should be according to the standard and the parameter it should be 48 hours. 48 hours we should not open the formwork or remove the molds of the specimens and whatsoever it is. And also the protecting atmosphere of a particular site, it should be covered and to prevent the winds and these things and some takes measure for the either it is insulation or whatsoever it is there. Yeah, we should take care about that one also because the pouring area where it should be protected very seriously and all the extrusion or intrusion from the outside it should be protected and then once the third party or the engineers is agreed and the conditions are the suitable then it should be allowed for the pouring. The cracks if in the cold weather it is below the 5 degree, the internal cracks will deeper created, and also these cracks will reach to the surface of the concrete, outer surface of the concrete after some time, and that will show the hair cracks, but due to the passage of time, it will be going more and more. And the durability wise, this concrete in that weathering condition, if it is not suitable and in compliance to the ACA standard 306, then the durability wise and the strength wise, it is very weak. So mostly the concrete designs 100 year plus. So concrete age should be at least 100 years, and it is there. The um, if the concrete is good and all the ingredients and all the precautions are taken according to the standard and the specification, it is there. It can be proved by the long-term testing and the regression line and whatsoever it is. So we have to maintain all the durability parameters and all the hardened concrete testing and all the scenarios. It should be comply at least the weathering condition. So according to the weathering condition, we should set the temperature of the mix and the condition of the temperature to keep a at least 5 degree above, and in case we can discuss also the warm water and instead of the crystals of the ice and thing in the hot weather, we will go to the reverse that to maintain the temperature above the 5 degree of the mix, and then the particular sites condition also, it is also protected the structure where the concrete is poured. It should be protected by the cloths, plastic cloths, and the wrapping, and it should be give the complete required strength and the durability parameters. So this is only the precautions and the technology to keep the concrete in a suitable condition as it is required according to the standard, and also the fresh concrete, the mixed temperature should not be less than 5 degree. It is from the 5 degree it can be cold, but above 5 degree it is go up to the 30 degree whatever it is, it's yeah, good. But if it is go below the 5 degree, so many hydration process is slow and some reactions is happen, and it will affect the durability and the in the proper time, because the time is curing is more and the mixed settlement time is more in accordance to the relevant standard. It will not feasible for the strength and all of these things. So this was the briefing about the concrete mix in a cold weather. This is only the precautions, and precautions should be overall cover the relevant standard, which is we discuss ACA 306, and also other standards also, which is referred to the specification we have to follow, and all of the standard cover these things. Either it is Lean or European standard or ASTM or BS or whatsoever it is. So this was the briefing about the fresh concrete in cold weather condition pouring. And in next video, we will see each other with another subject. So thank you very much and have a nice day.